Earning respect might seem like a marathon, but with the right strategies, it can feel more like a sprint. Imagine walking into a room and immediately commanding respect with your presence alone. This scenario isn't reserved for the few. It's accessible to anyone willing to understand and apply the principles of nonverbal cues, presentation, and strategic communication. Let's dive deeper into how your appearance can set the stage for respect. It's not merely about the brands you wear, but about how your attire fits and the message it sends. Wearing clothes that fit well and are slightly more formal than the occasion demands can subtly elevate your status in the eyes of others. This doesn't mean suiting up for a casual meeting, but perhaps choosing a smart blazer over a hoodie. It's about signaling that you take yourself and the occasion seriously, which encourages others to do the same. The concept of occupying space goes beyond physical presence. It's a metaphor for asserting your right to be noticed and heard. People who command respect often do so by simply being comfortable in their own skin, moving with purpose, and not shrinking themselves to make others comfortable. This can be as simple as standing tall, sitting straight, and using gestures that are expansive yet controlled. Such behaviors signal confidence and self-assuredness, inviting respect from those around you. Touch, a powerful nonverbal communicator, can bridge gaps between words and convey warmth, empathy, and understanding. The key is in its application. Respectful, context-appropriate touches can strengthen connections, while misplaced ones can do the opposite. It's a delicate balance, requiring keen awareness of social cues and personal boundaries. Now onto handling interruptions. In conversations, especially group settings, being talked over can feel disheartening. However, maintaining your course, respectfully yet firmly, signals that you value your own voice. This isn't about dominating the conversation, but rather ensuring your contributions are heard and respected. Complimenting your competition or those you disagree with might seem counterintuitive, but it's a masterstroke in the art of respect. It showcases a secure individual who can acknowledge the strengths in others without feeling diminished. This quality is rare and compelling, drawing people towards you and enhancing their respect for you. Embracing your imperfections might be the most liberating strategy. In a world that often demands perfection, showing that you're comfortable with your flaws is a breath of fresh air. It makes you approachable and trustworthy, qualities that foster deep respect. It's about showing up as your genuine self, flaws included, which in turn encourages others to accept and respect you for who you are, not who you pretend to be. Incorporating these strategies into your life isn't just about commanding respect. It's about cultivating a genuine presence that naturally draws others to you. It's about moving through the world with a sense of purpose, integrity, and authenticity. When you align your external presentation with your internal values, you not only earn respect, but you also inspire it in others. This holistic approach to respect isn't just a quick fix. It's a sustainable way to build and maintain meaningful relationships, both personally and professionally.